Hello, fellow story explorers. Today we're in Peachtree City, Georgia, and we're visiting a young man named E.J. Sitler, and he wrote a book about baseball. And this is his original version called My Home Run Life. Let's take a look inside. Looks like E.J. there. Great illustrations. Oh, he's number 19. Looks like it's really cold out there. Brr. Like the Phillies versus the Cubs. And his book was chosen to be professionally illustrated. Let's look at some of these awesome pictures. Oh, that looks like EJ there. So cool. Uh-oh, he's looking nervous. Oh, I think that's him. Hey, EJ.
Hey.
Come on in, man. Welcome to the Very Airy Library. What do you think?
It's awesome.
Man, I'm glad you like it. Come over here and have a seat real quick. So, EJ, I want you to tell everyone your name, your age, where you're from, and what do you like to do for fun?
My name is E.J. Sitler. I am from Peachtree City, Georgia, and I am 8 years old. I like to play with my friends baseball and basketball.
Awesome. I can tell you're a big baseball fan. You
Yeah.
like the Phillies, huh?
Yeah.
And who's your favorite baseball player?
Bryce Harper.
Oh, Bryce Harper. He's a bad man, right? Bad in a good way, man. Bad in a good way. All right, I'm ready to play an icebreaker game with you. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna roll this wheel, and whatever it lands on, you're gonna have to do it. You're gonna have to either make a funny face, or if you could have any weird talent, what would it be? Do your best British accent. And make your favorite animal noise, all right? Which one do you hope it lands on? All right, go ahead and give it a roll there, EJ. Uh-oh, what will it be? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, make a funny face. What do you got? So funny, love it, man. All right, let's talk about your book. Before we talk about your book, tell me, what's your favorite book?
My favorite book is The 39 Clues.
The 39 Clues. I've never read it. Tell me a little bit about it.
It's a adventure series where these kids are put in different scenarios and they have to get out.
Oh man, that sounds exciting. I'm gonna have to check that out. So let's talk a little bit about your book called My Home Run Life. Tell us a little bit about it.
It's about my championship game last season when it was the first game we won, championship game we won.
Oh wow, so you guys were the champions.
Yeah.
Was it a close game?
Yes.
Oh man, so did a home run happen in this story?
Yes.
Who hit it?
Me.
Oh, so this is a true story. So you
Yes.
hit a home run.
Yeah.
Over the fence or in the park?
It was in the park.
Inside the park. Was everybody going crazy?
Yes.
Who was screaming the loudest for you?
My mom.
Your mom, she was like, go EJ, go! Like that?
Yeah.
Awesome. So what was the hardest part when you were writing your book?
Probably going back to see if you had to see if you missed anything on it.
Yeah, that's always a tough part when you go back and you kind of find what you did right and some things that you may have left out. So editing is so important, and it can be hard sometimes too. What was your favorite part when you wrote your book?
The cover.
Oh, your cover. Let's check out your original book there. That's a really sweet cover right there. Love the illustrations there with the baseball diamond and the balls there. Super cool. So for all the young authors that are out there, what would you like for them to learn or take from your book?
I'd like them to learn that you should always keep going and never give up.
Oh man, that is great advice. That's good advice for young authors as well as older authors, to never give up. Always keep going. I love it, EJ. Let's put this book into the Eternal Library. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. There we go.
Commencing literary ingestion process. Oh God, we're gonna eat the words.
That's awesome.
Pretty cool, right? It doesn't get old, man.
Process complete.
So EJ, I have one more surprise for you. We're taking the Very Airy Library to see your Phillies take on my Braves. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Who are you gonna be rooting for?
Phillies.
All right, good luck. Here we go, here we go. Yes, sir, here it is. This is the guy right here. There he is, right here, number one Phillies fan. Now, baby, right here, baby, right, big that. Oh, next time, we'll
and EJ had a wonderful time, laughing, cheering, enjoying the old ball game.
Why are you talking like that?
Talking like what?
You're ruining the episode.
You say tomato, and I say tomato.
Strike 3, you're out!
Do you have your own story to tell? Be sure to sign up for the Share Your Story program. You can find the link in the description below. You might even have the chance to visit the Very Airy Library.
Come by the magical, incredible, fantastical.